Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to do single crochets, and these are the materials that we're gonna use. We'll need a ball of yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. Well, I'll be using a 5mm crochet hook, but you can actually use different sizes. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so to start off, we'll be making a chain, and to start we'll do a slip stitch or slip knot. By doing so, you would put the yarn over the first finger here and hold it in place with the thumb. From there, you'll take the hook, the crochet hook, place it underneath the yarn, turn it all the way around, then put the hook below the yarn and pull through that loop. That will create a knot. Alright, let me do it again. So the yarn is between the thumb and the forefinger. You're placing the hook beneath the yarn, turning it all the way around once, placing the hook beneath the yarn, then pulling through this loop. Okay, from here we'll do 10 chains. We make a chain by these steps, so placing the hook beneath the yarn and pulling through, hook beneath the yarn, pull through, hook beneath yarn, pull through. So that's yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. How much is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, so we'll be doing single crochets. So our next step would be to place the hook in the second loop from the hook here. We're gonna yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through these two loops. So again, we're going in the next chain stitch here. I'm gonna grab some yarn, pull it through that chain, then yarn over once again and pull through these two loops. Going into the next chain, hook through that chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Alright, once again, hook through the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochets, and I'll continue to the end. Okay, so that is that's 9 single crochets. So since we did 10 chains, we would have ended up with 9 single crochets, since we had skipped the first chain here. Alright, so now to go on to the second row, we'll go ahead and make a chain here. So chain 1, and then we turn our work. So this is the back of the first row. Now we'll be doing the same thing. So we're placing the hook in the first single crochet here. Then we'll yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. Doing it again. So this is the second single crochet. We're gonna put the hook through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 2. The third one, hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull through that stitch, yarn over, and pull through these 2 loops. So we just doing those steps until we get a square or a rectangle. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and end that row with a chain. So chain 1, we turn our work again. So now we'll do the same thing as we did in the previous row. So we're putting the hook through the first single crochet of the first single crochet or the last single crochet from the last row. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Once again, hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Oops. Alright, so this is how it looks so far, and we'll continue to do a few more rows, maybe 5 rows, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Okay, so I went ahead and finished my rows. I did 5 rows of single crochets. So your work should actually look like this, and the back should look like this. Your work should look similar. So that's 9 single crochets across and 5 rows. So now you guys should actually be able to do a project that requires single crochets. and I will do a next video teaching you half double crochets as well as double crochet. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video.